Dear students, good morning. Today I am going to solve some problems based on simple iron motion. Here is a question on the board. The displacement of particle performing SHM is given by y equal to 5 sine 314t plus pi by 4. Where y is in centimeter, time t in second. Find amplitude and initial phase of the motion. Find amplitude and initial phase of motion, angular frequency, time period and frequency of motion, and maximum velocity and maximum acceleration of the motion. So you need this simple question just for practice of you, because without doing problem we can't understand what to do. We have to practice only. Musicians जो होते हैं they keep on asking rehearsal again and again. तो ये rehearsal है, nothing else. We know solution. General equation of SHM A sin omega t plus phi. तो comparing this equation 1, suppose, with 2, we get A equal to 5 centimeter. Initial phase 5 equal to pi by 4 रेडियन लिखेंगे आप इसको यहाँ, और इक्वल टू 45 डिग्री. इसको भी समझिए खेल को. pi by 4, actually here angle should be placed in radian. When angle, I have told you many times, angle equal to arc upon radius, and the unit is radian, arc upon radius. So this first part is done. Second part, you are asked again angular frequency. Again, this is omega, is the angular frequency. So omega equal to 314. इनके angular frequency. Omega is called angular frequency. Omega is equal to 314 radian per second, or simply per second also. Time period t equal to 2 pi upon omega, 2 into 3.14 upon 314. How much it is? 0.01. So it is 0.02 seconds. Then you are asked frequency also. That frequency f or n equal to 1 by t. So 1 upon 0.02, 100 upon 2, 50 hertz. Maximum velocity. Maximum velocity, C part. Velocity V maximum equal to A omega. A is 5 centimeter, omega is 314 centimeter per second. So it is 5 हो गया 21 इतने सेंटीमीटर पर सेकंड और 15.70 मीटर पर सेकंड. Similarly, maximum acceleration alpha maximum. I write here alpha maximum. Magnitude A omega square. It is a 0.5 centimeter, 0.5 omega square, 15.7 square meter per second square. You can solve it. So this is a simple question here, just for your practice only, nothing else. So now I come to other question here. The question is like that. You can write yourself. Two particles execute simple harmonic motion of same amplitude and same frequency along the same straight line. Two particles are performing a section of same amplitude, same frequency along the same line. They cross one another when going in opposite direction. When going in opposite direction. What is the phase difference between the two? Question like that. Here is the simple arm motion. Amplitude same like this. One particle going this way, other coming this way. So what is the phase difference between the two? Please write question yourself. I am repeating again. Two particles execute simple harmonic motions of same amplitude and same frequency along the same straight line. They cross one another going in opposite direction. What is the phase difference between their displacements? When their displacement is half the amplitude, they are crossing at a point when y equal to a by 2. But suppose it is y, this y equal to a by 2. Then what is the phase difference? The general equation of a section is y equal to a sine omega t plus phi. Here question I am repeating again. Two particles are performing a section of same frequency, same amplitude. What is the phase difference between them when they are crossing each other? When their displacement is half of the amplitude. So when y equal to a by 2. So a by 2 equal to a sine omega t plus phi. This omega t plus phi is called phase of the particle. Phi is called initial phase. So here sine omega t plus phi is equal to 1 by 2. Or omega t plus phi is equal to 30 or 150. It means the phase of 130 and phase of other 150. If I take the phi 1 is equal to 30 and phi 2 is equal to 50, 150. So phi 2 minus phi 1. I can take this as whole phi 1 and phi 2. So it is 150 minus 30. Yani 120 degree is the phase difference between the two particles which are performing this section. Now you may be asked another question here. Question like that. A particle is performing ascension whose amplitude is 10 centimeter. frequency (50 Hz). Write the equation of displacement of motion when motion begins from equilibrium point. B part at t equal to 0, the y equal to plus 10 centimeter, and C at t equal to 0, y equal to minus 10 centimeter. So you may be asked question like that also. A simple problem. So we know general equation is y equal to a sin omega t plus phi. Here you are given a as 10 centimeter, omega equal to 2 pi n, 2 into 3.14 into, what is frequency? 50. So it is 314 radian per second. So first question motion start from equilibrium point. यानी कि first के लिए at t equal to 0, y equal to 0. Putting these value equation 1 here, 0 equal to 10 sin omega t into 0 plus phi. So we get 0 equal to 10 sin phi, or sin phi equal to 0. So phi equal to 0. So equation will be y equal to 10 sin 314t. First part, omega 314, phi equal to 0. Now part 2. For part 2, B part, at t equal to 0, y equal to plus half. Oh, plus 10, sorry. So you put here y equal to 10 sin omega into 0 plus phi. यानी कि sin phi equal to 1. or phi equal to pi by 2. Then equation will be y equal to 10 sin 314t plus pi by 2. And you know sin 90 plus theta cos theta. So it may be sin 10 cos 314t. Now when C part at t equal to 0, y equal to minus 10, then using same equation, minus 10 equal to 10 or sin omega into 0 plus phi. यानी कि sin phi equal to minus 1 or phi equal to 3 pi by 2 or 270 you can say. Then y equation will be y equal to 10 sin 314t plus 3 pi by 2. Sin 3 pi by 2 and sin 270 plus theta. minus cos theta. Minus, so it will be y equal to minus tan sine 314. So you may also be asked question like this. I hope you will be able to understand my aim only here, just to make practice and make you aware of the method adopted to solve such questions. Now, one more question here. Actually, there is a big number of problems in this chapter. You know time period of pendulum, 2t equal to 2 pi under root L upon G. Here I give you a question to you. If the length of a pendulum clock, length of the pendulum of a pendulum clock gets increased by 0.1%, then how much fast or slow will be the clock in one day. So this is simple problem, but student get trapped in percent also. So if length of pendulum clock is L, then time period T will be 2 pi under root L upon G. If length L dash become L plus 10% of L, 1%, sorry, 0.1% of L. So it means it is L plus 0.001 L. यानी कि 1.001 L by 0.1 upon 100, 0.001. If time period increases, if length increases, naturally time period will increase. So let T plus delta T equal to 2 pi under root L plus delta L upon G. So you are asked here how much the clock will get slow or fast in one day. One day, so that T may be taken as one day. So now dividing equation 2 by 1, you will get T plus delta T upon T. 2 pi cancel, G cancel. Thing left only L plus delta L upon L. Or you can write it as 1 plus delta T upon T is equal to under root 1 plus delta L upon L. It is 1 plus delta L is 0.0, delta L upon L is 0.01 only. to the power half. Binomial extension says that if x much less than 1, so 1 plus x to the power n, 1 plus nx. So it will be 1 plus half, 0.001 only. 1 plus delta t upon t. 1 cancel, so delta t upon t is equal to 0.0005. Be aware, alert here that the student do mistake in this division. 0.001. It will be point by 1 बन जाएगा, clear? Delta t upon t. और delta t equal to 0.0005 into t. So you can take t as a day. And 1 day, how many seconds? T equal to, take t equal to 1 day. क्योंकि 1 day पूछा equal to 86,400 seconds. So delta t increase in time will be 0.0005 into 80,400. 00522 5 6 30 243. Decimal after 4 place 1 2 3 4. So 43.2 second time increase हुआ in 1 day. And when time get increased, if time of a motion get increased, the motion becomes slow, not fast. Fast का जब time बढ़ जाए, so the watch या clock will be 43.2 second late in 1 day. This is a mental exercise. This question is a mental exercise for you. So please learn these questions. I will be telling you more and more questions in coming video. Thank you. If you like, please like the video and share the video and share video with your friends who are learning, who are really interested. Nowadays, I'm noticing that students are not so serious about their studies. They think that things are simple in life. No, you have to learn more and more. Please take care of yourself. Thank you.